I love sunglasses. One of my favorite pairs right now costs like $2.50.
Whoa.
But they're really nice. There's a company called Shady Rays. What a great name, huh? I kept seeing them pop up. Was it my Twitter feed? They looked really neat when I checked them out. They said they were a new company. And what was really cool too is that for every pair of sunglasses they sell, they make a donation to Feed America. So I decided to reach out to them and say, hey, I like sunglasses. Obviously you like sunglasses. So I decided to throw together a little video, since I produce stuff, and show them my love of sunglasses and kind of pitch them maybe a relationship to work together. Here's the video that I produced for them.
3, 2, 1.
Hey there.
Oh yeah, into January, driving with the windows down, Raleigh 70 degrees, and no hairnet.
So I heard back from them. They liked the video. They liked what they saw. And they said, hey, why don't you join kind of our affiliate partnership club? And I said, okay. I ended up buying some shades. In fact, this is again, the box they came from, just to prove it. I haven't opened it. I've had the box now for a few days. So I thought I'd open it and see what they look like. I used my trusty prison break knife. So years ago when I used to work for Fox, the affiliate in Raleigh, we would get all this great swag. And well, when the show Prison Break was on, they sent us a Prison Break knife. I've never done an unboxing, so let's cut this baby up. Cut that. I hope I don't cut the glasses. You see the initials right there. Ooh, there's the invoice just showing.
Let's see. You know, I've never really... Wow. This is like getting a cut of meat. Ooh. All right. It's looking cool so far. So if I like this, I'm going to put it on my laptop. Card. Very nice. Check these out. Okay, these are really cool. They've kind of got a wood finish there.
They come in this. You got these and you got these. These are the ones, I forgot which one these are called. They're called frosted, maybe, something like that. What do you think? They look cool. These, it's like a faux wood type thing. I gotta tell you, they feel good. They're light, like you can tell that. Wow, they really feel nice. But I think there's like a lifetime guarantee. They can replace them if they're lost or scratched or whatever. There they are. Which one do you like better? Oh, I lost my light. Which one do you like better? Like those, or you like that? My first kind of unboxing, unwrapping, wanted to share with you. I'd love to hear what you think. If you're a sunglass wearer, let me know. And, you know, if you want to subscribe, that'd be fantastic, and I'd love to connect. I'm Kevin Kolbe, dude, on almost everything. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Have a great today.